Hey guys, it's Mark from Hallmark Pool Supplies. What is the difference between backwash and rinse? Some of the more common questions I get asked about backwashing and rinsing is how often do we have to backwash or rinse our system? How long do we backwash? How long do we rinse? Do we have to rinse every time we backwash? I will be covering all of these questions in this video, but if you guys have a backwash or rinse position on your filter system, then you more than likely have a sand filter or a DE filter. Now, I'm standing in front of a display filter. This is a S244T high rate sand filter from Hayward, and what I'd like to do is show you how the water runs through this filter system when it's in the filter position, and then we're going to talk about backwash and rinse. So when the water is running through the filter system and it's in the filter position, this is what is happening. The water is coming from the pool, it goes through the pump, up the pipe, into the filter, goes through the multiport, and then the water comes down, and as the debris and dirt hit the sand, it is then being filtered as the water continues to go through the sand, and then the clean water goes through the laterals, up the pipe, and then goes back through the return and returns the clean water back to the pool. And this is how the system runs when it's in filter. When we're in the backwash position, what is happening is the water is coming from the pool, goes into the pump, up through the pipe, into the multiport, and instead of coming out like it does in filter, we're actually going to be going in reverse. The water then is going through or down through the standpipe. It's coming up through the laterals, and the water now is lifting all the dirt and debris that's been trapped in the sand, and it's flushing it out. And as it comes up, all the dirty water and debris is going out of the backwash or the waste line. And this is how the system will run when we're backwashing. When we're in the rinse position, the water is coming from the pool to the pump, up the pipe, and it comes in the multiport, and it comes down just like it does in filter. And what it's doing is it's reseeding any dirt or debris back into the sand, and it's washing and rinsing all the murky water through the sand, through the laterals, up the standpipe, and it too also goes out the backwash or the waste line. And what we're doing is we're just rinsing all the murky water and so forth that the backwash is broke up. And that's how the system runs when we're in rinse. So how often do we backwash and rinse our filter systems? A very common question that I get. Every filter system is different, but as a rule, in the summer, during the swimming season, you will backwash and rinse a filter system like this about every 7 to 10 days. Now, in some cases, you can go 2-3 weeks or even longer. It really depends on several factors. How clean or how dirty the pool stays, how many people are swimming, how often the pool is being used. These are all things that will determine what the pressure is and when we know we need to backwash and rinse. We don't want to guess, but how do we know? We can go by our pressure gauge, which is right here. And the pressure gauge is going to tell us what our pressure is. And what we want to do is we want to backwash and rinse the system when we are approximately 10 psi over the normal starting pressure. What is start pressure? Start pressure is when a tank is clean or maybe it's brand new. Whatever the pressure is, whenever it exceeds 10 psi over that, that's when we know it's time to backwash and rinse. So another common question that I get asked is how long do we backwash and how long do we rinse? On average, you're going to backwash for 1 minute, and then we're going to rinse for 30 seconds. We also have what's called a sight glass. You can backwash or rinse after the sight glass becomes clear. Then we know we've got the system pretty clean and we're done. So we can use this as a visual reference if we're not timing it. But let's say we backwash and rinse and the pressure does come down, but it's still a little high. We can just repeat the process. Another common question is, do I have to rinse every time I backwash? And the answer is yes. As a rule of thumb, when you get done backwashing, you want to rinse the system. That way you've got a nice clean system and you're good to go. So that pretty much covers backwash and rinse. But as you can see, there are a lot of other positions here, and I have made some more in-depth videos in regards to basic filter operation where I do go into a lot more detail explaining all the positions and functions and how to operate a system like this. And it's called basic filter operation. And I've made that type of video for all three platforms, sand, DE, as well as cartridge, and I will post the links to those videos down below for any of you guys that want to check that out. And for those of you that have a difficult pool-related problem or your situation and you need help, the fastest way to get in contact with me is book a phone session, and I'll post a link down below for that as well. And as always, I want to thank all my subscribers for watching. Definitely hit like and subscribe for future content. Remember us at Hallmark Pool Supplies for all your pool needs. As always, thanks for watching. My name is Mark, and I'll see you guys on the next video.